You offering me some? It's very nice of you, but no thank you. Is that good? Yeah. You got them pieces in now. You gotta start drinking out of that. So make the babas go bye-bye. There's 2 sippy cups now. That's not too bad, is it? Faster flow. Yeah. Good stuff. Big drink. I think she likes it. That a good girl.